One of the mainstay tourist attractions in West Sumatra is the clock tower. Jam Gadang is the name of the clock tower in downtown Bukittinggi, West Sumatra, Indonesia. The bell tower has large clocks on all four sides and is named Jam Gadang, which means big clock, in the Minangkabau language. The clock tower is not only a landmark in the center of Bukittinggi but also a tourist attraction by expanding the park around the clock tower. The park is a place for community interaction on weekdays and weekends. Public events are usually held around the park near the clock tower. Floor plan: the clock tower measures 13x meters. The interior of the 26-meter high clock tower consists of several levels, the top of which is a pendulum. The pendulum broke in the 2007 earthquake and had to be replaced. Gadang clock has 4 clocks with a diameter of 80 centimeters. Imported directly from Rotterdam, Netherlands via the port of Telukbaya, this watch is powered by one of only 2 engines in the world, the Jam Gadang itself and Big Ben in London, England. The movement and dials are 1 notch below the top level. The bell belongs to watchmaker Fortman Lellinghausen. Fortman is the last name of watchmaker Benhard Fortman, and Recklinghausen is the name of the German city where this movement was produced in 1892. The Jam Gadang was built without steel pillars or cement mortar. The mixture consists only of lime, protein and white sand. The Jam Gadang was completed in 1926 during the reign of the Dutch East Indies as a gift from the Queen of the Netherlands to the fort maker, secretary or administrator of Fort de Kock, now the city of Bukittinggi. The architecture of the bell tower was designed by Yazid Rahomankit, and the foundation stone was laid by Luke Maker's eldest son, who was only 6 years old at the time. Clock construction: Gadang cost about 3,000 guilders. This was a staggering value at the time. Since it was built and inaugurated, this bell tower has become the center of attention. This is what causes the Gadang clock to be used as a landmark, a direction, and also as the 0 point of the city of Bukittinggi. Since its inception, this clock tower has changed the shape of its roof 3 times. Originally built during the reign of the Dutch East Indies, Jam Gadang has a circular roof with a statue of a rooster on it facing east. It was later changed to a pagoda shape during the Japanese occupation. Finally, after Indonesia's independence, the roof of the Jam Gadang was changed to a gonjong shape, or a traditional Minangkabau house, the roof of the Rumah Gadang. Last renovation: the Jam Gadang was carried out in 2010 by the Indonesian Heritage Preservation Agency (BPPI) with the support of the Bukittinggi city government and the Dutch embassy in Jakarta. The restoration work started on December 22, 2010 to commemorate the 262nd anniversary of the city of Bukittinggi.